Hi guys, it's Sophie Hella Fat here. Welcome back to my channel. So here I'm just trying on some clothes. I went shopping and I was gonna get pants. These shorts I wanted to try on because I just was curious to how they would fit. These pants didn't end up fitting me. They were a size 18. They were just way too tight, and I'm feeling a lot more confident though trying on clothes. I used to not actually try on clothes, so it's really nice to have the confidence. And then these pants were pretty much exactly the same. They're also a size 18. I could do them up, but there was just no way I was going to buy them because they were just way too tight, as you can see. And I wasn't going to buy a size 20 because I just refused. I just refused to buy a size 20. To me, in my mind, I'm a size 18, and I just refused to buy like a larger size because I feel like, well, hopefully I'm not going to actually be able to fit into a size 20 for much longer, hopefully. And I decided to do this voiceover instead of actually when I was there, because I'm sort of not really confident enough right now to actually like get my phone out and start talking in a dressing room. So I hope you guys understand and forgive me for that. But yeah, so yeah, and I just put my leggings back on just to kind of like feel better about myself because these fit me really well. They're actually kind of a little bit too big actually, these leggings. Hello, I just got back from shop. Look, these are the balloons I got. These were for Isha's birthday in April. I don't know if you can even see that, but yeah, I blew all those up all by myself and like decorated like all the yeah. Anyway, I did that by myself. So yeah, I'm the best mum ever. I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. A bra. Whoops. So this was $5. I do need a new bra. And I got this one, which was kind of like a sports bra. Like it has this really cute like mesh here. I don't know, I just think it's cute. And this one was marked down from $25 and it was also $5. This one has like really strong underwire in it. So it's like a sports bra. And then for myself, this is what I got instead of pants. They had a lot of clearance stuff actually, like a lot of $2 tops. So I had a good look. But yeah, this one I think I quite like this one. So it's a size 18. So at the moment I'm only going to be getting a size 18. I'm not going to be getting a size 20 anymore. So I like the colour. I think it's be nice. This is from Target. So this is just a cute top. And I think it was reduced too. Yeah, that was on clearance too. So that was $5, reduced from $25. But yeah, I love the colour. Some socks because I just needed these for work. That was my little haul for today. Noticing that this color is don't droop, but I can start looking droopy. This is why I need to move, because there's no mirror space. This is my first meal of the day. I didn't have any breakfast just because I didn't really have time. I honestly didn't even think about it because I really want to declutter my wardrobe. So I haven't really talked about this yet, I don't think, but basically I am doing the minimalism challenge. So on the 1st of the month you get rid of one thing, and then on the 2nd you get rid of 2 things, and so on. So by like, you know, the 20th of June I'll have to get rid of like 20 things, and I'll basically just start from there and go around the whole house and just organize and basically declutter like my whole house and just start getting rid of things. And I'll sort of explain why, I guess, another time. There's no, probably like, I don't know, should I explain? It's not very exciting actually. I mean, it's exciting for me, like I'm freaking over the moon excited, but like it's not like that big of a deal. You can sort of see that, so that's good. So that's sort of why I was really glad to not buy too much today, because I am trying to declutter and I'm also trying to save money. I'll just show you guys first like the before. So it was a little bit more messy the other day, if you can believe that, because I have been through it a little bit. Like this space is new. There was a box here with like random crap, so I went through that, so that was really good. And then there was like here where my dirty clothes basket is, there was a box or full of stuff that was just waiting to be donated, really. So yeah, this is the mess. There is just so much to go through, and I only have to get rid of 3 things today, but I think I can do a lot better than that. I think I can get rid of like at least like 20 things. This is the first thing I'm getting rid of. It's an old Christmas card I've never used. Yeah, that stuff I'm gonna just chuck. I'm gonna go have my lunch now. I'm just gonna have like an early lunch. I got rid of more than 3 things, so that's good. Ooh, it's quite a small pit. I think my chicken's
for police and emergency services, Julia Jones, says she's
is a chicken and avocado, and the chicken doesn't even fit in the sandwich. Hey guys, it is Thursday. Today I'm going to do some more decluttering, maybe have an early lunch because I didn't have breakfast, just because I don't give myself enough time in the morning. I really need to like get serious about my morning routines. I weighed myself this morning. I lost, how much did I lose? I think it was like 200 grams. So I think that's like, God, how much would that be? I think that would be like half a pound or something. I'm not even sure. I'm just happy anyway because like I'm feeling good, you know, like I'm eating more vegetables. I'm eating healthy this week. I'm feeling really good about that. So I'm still sort of riding that wave of like, yeah, I'm changing. Yeah. I've got 2 boxes. I have emptied this box. So this is the stuff I am donating. That is pretty much done. I've got a bag full of stuff I'm going to donate, and I've got a box full of stuff I'm going to donate, and I had a bag full of stuff that I'm throwing out, and I've got another sort of half-filled bag here, stuff that I'm throwing out, so I just don't think it'd be worth donating. So I'm super happy. I've just gone through like my whole bucket and stuff. I'm basically getting rid of everything. So I'm just putting it into this box. I have this like perfume box. This is like Chloe perfume. What's that? Is that? What is this? Is this like cream? It's closed. And then maybe this like mini perfume. How cute is it? That you can put in your bag. Isn't that adorable? You can see really, it's tiny. Just such a loser, but like I'm thinking like for the Barbies we could like put it in their little house. And I'm going to use this box for it's going to be my new collection. So it's gone from like 2 big boxes and now we're into a tiny little box. Oh, I forgot this. I've got one of these like old school label makers. So I was thinking like, oh, I don't even know if they make these anymore, so I probably should keep that. I don't know. Now I'm just going to vacuum my wardrobe. Oh, so there we go. Oh, it always looks so much better. And then I just vacuumed. Okay, so this is the new bra I got yesterday. It's very supportive, but I think it's just slightly too small, but it is actually comfortable. These straps are padded and it really like lifts you up. Wow, that's amazing. Sorry. Just testing it out. I've got my Hock legging pop fit leggings on. They're so cute. I'm just going to do a YouTube workout. That's done. I need to do that every day. Yep.
Sean, you have a question based on some of the videos that you've been seeing. Can you tell us about the videos?
Hey guys, it's Sunday today. I just got out of bed. I had a really good sleep in.
Just eat the damn oranges!
Hey guys, it's Monday and we just got home. I worked today and we just went to the playground after work and yeah, just starting dinner. We're gonna have chicken and we're gonna have some vegetables. This is something we just got from the supermarket yesterday. It's just like a reduced thing I thought we'd try. It comes with like herb butter or something. You just put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, so I just thought that sounds really good. We'll get that. I mean, it was like $2, so like may as well try it. And actually yesterday, I'll just quickly show you. So you can see I think we got like $8 worth of broccoli. So that's awesome. So we're gonna have like heaps of broccoli this week. Starting to think that weight loss and health is pretty much all about finding things you like to eat, making things yum, because like, yeah, once you just start actually liking what you're eating, it gets pretty easy. used a Caribbean jerk spice. So it smells really nice. I'm hoping it'll be good. I haven't actually tried it before. So I just put that on with some spray oil, just olive oil. And yeah, just seeing if we like that basically. Just testing out random things, seeing if I like it. And yeah, just keep trying different stuff, seeing what works. Need a bigger saucepan, I think, first. I added way too many mushrooms. Well, I can't really show you the flavour, but I'm just tasting it. It's actually quite nice. The flavour?
I see.
No, I mean the taste. You can't see. So we're both trying to get used to eating our vegetables. I'm finding it a little bit hard because like this is how much I've eaten. So I've eaten quite a lot. I'm just finding like there's a lot of chewing. I know this is so random, but like I'm just actually struggling a little bit because there's a lot of chewing involved with eating the vegetables. We're getting used to it, aren't we, Ish?
Yeah.